So if you want to talk finance, Kim Loudon, my friend and colleague in the back, would love to talk about finance. I'm doing what's called a tasting menu here. So I'm going to do 5 things in 10 minutes. All right, so as I said before, I'm not going to be talking about financing because everybody knows GreatAmerica does financing. There. What you may not know is some of the other things that you should be taking advantage of that are free to you, and if you're working with GreatAmerica, it's just plain silly if you're not. So I figured I'd talk about them right now. So we have a whole lot of technology and tools that we put in place to make it easier for you. It may not apply necessarily to your particular role, but this is where it'd be awesome if you pass this information on to whoever in your organization it does apply to. So Snapshot is a native mobile app. This is an easy app for your salespeople to go into an environment. They can quote payments from it. They can submit credit apps just by taking a picture of a business card. So it's really easy to use. Any salesperson can do it, and it's going to speed up your credit adjudication process because it goes directly into our system. InfoZone, that's our vendor portal. This is where you can find all sorts of information about your portfolio. There's also front-end tools, back-end tools, sideways tools, diagonal. I mean, it's pretty cool. So this is something that if you're not using, it's a great opportunity for you to see what's going on. Number 4, integrations. This is something that I would say is kind of a core competency of GreatAmerica. We have spent a lot of time getting relationships built with third-party companies. Raise your hand if you're using any of the companies listed up there. Okay, that's most of you. So this is a perfect example of if you're not taking advantage of these integrations, you should be. The intent of it basically is that you can stay in whatever system of choice you have selected, and that you can interact with your finance company very seamlessly. So this obviously makes sense from an efficiency standpoint, but one of the things I heard just recently talking to a dealer that I was surprised, and I'm very pleasantly surprised, is a lot of times your salespeople are spending time with problems, because problems take them away from the strategic part of their business. And so by using the integrations, not only are you able to be more efficient, you're going to be more accurate, you're going to reduce your problems, and your salespeople are not spending time troubleshooting things. So really, regardless of what your role in the business, it's a win-win-win. So you may say, I wonder if we're taking advantage of the integrations. That's the next slide. Are you taking advantage? So this is exactly where you can talk to us at our little table in the back, and you sign up for a little integration review. All we do is we follow up with you after this summit, and we find out exactly what software you're using. We make sure you're taking advantage of every integration on there, because again, it's just silly if you don't. So if you are interested in that, you don't even have to be the person that we talk to. Just stop back, talk to us. We'll write your company name down and maybe who you think the right contact would be, and we'll follow up with them afterwards, because we really do want you to be taking advantage of all these efficiencies. So you say, well, what's next? We're always looking for feedback from our customers as to what software applications we should be working with. Maybe we're already working with a software application, but we don't have an integration built yet. So this is exactly where we need you to tell us what's important to you, because that's where we're going to spend our resources. So let us know at the conference about what software you're using, maybe any feedback that you have. We have a whole group within GreatAmerica that is dedicated to helping you be successful. And we're also starting a dealer advisory group. So there's actually going to be 3 different groups. One is a C-level group, one's a finance, and one is an admin level group. So if you have somebody in your business that you think, gosh, I bet they would be really happy to give feedback on things they'd like to see, come stop by, give us their name. It's a once a quarter quick survey, and it's just a way for you to kind of help determine what's going to be next in our world. Number 1. Invoicing. Most people don't think invoicing is very sexy. I love invoicing. Invoicing is the opportunity for you to reach your customer 12 times a year. So we want to make sure that your customer, when they open that invoice, they're pleasantly surprised. They're getting it in a way that they want to get it. It's got all the information on it that they want to get. And the point I want to make here is no matter what billing model you are going to market with, whether it be flat rate, whether it be device-based or seat-based, it doesn't really matter. We're here to serve you. And so whatever it is that you're wanting to present to your customer, we're willing to do that for you. And finally, just connect with us. Again, we're at the back table. Let us know if you'd like an integration review. If there's any software that you're using, we're here to help.